Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Sam IT Hub. Today in this video, I will show you how to create animation video for YouTube channel.
Hello friends, if you want to create animation cartoon video for your YouTube channel, then watch this video till end. First go to Google search and type Sam IT Hub and click on first link and open it. Open the article, Make Animations for YouTube for free with Adobe Online. Drag to bottom and click on the click which redirect you to the main page. Here, you can create animation video for free for your YouTube channel. You can change the animation character easily. You can also change the background according to your video. You can set your video setting by selection your platform. Here, I am selecting YouTube because I am create animation video for my YouTube channel. After all setting now, you can record your voice or upload audio. Here, I uploading my audio file. Now just click on create, it will take time according to your video size. After processing, the creation is complete. Now you can play or download the file.
Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Sam IT Hub. Today in this video, I will show you how to create animation video for YouTube channel.
Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.